ladies. So I'm making some clam chowder today. And I've already, as you can see, this is what I recommend anytime you cook. Mise it out, like get everything ready to go. Because when you're doing something like chowder, you want to kind of go boom, boom, boom. It's got to go fast. So I've got my bacon in my pan already. Sorry. Next to go in would be the onions, followed by the leeks, and the carrots and celery. And then I kind of let that go for a little bit so that the fat all renders out and everything, and then I'm going to add some flour to it to make a roux. And the reason that I've got these potatoes here already done is because some people will put potatoes in clam chowder, and they'll let the clam chowder cook the potatoes and everything. And when they do that, they make something called a bouillon, which is something you could totally do. It's like a slurry that you make with flour, but I'm not doing that today. And I realized that I'd kind of messed up when I put the bacon in the pan already, and I was like, I'm not gonna mess with that. So we're just gonna do it this way. It's gonna be fine. So we've got onions, leeks, carrots and celery, and then we've got cream sherry. We've got some garlic that I've smushed up. We've got clams, you can't really tell, but they're in there. And then clam juice and bay shrimp, because I like that. You don't necessarily have to do that. And some smoked salmon, because smoked salmon is delicious, yo. So this is what we're doing, and we're gonna move over to the stove right now. Woohoo! Disco, disco, disco. All right. So we'll just get that bacon started, and I'll start bringing stuff over. This parsley is optional. It's for the very end. You don't have to actually add it if you don't want it. Some people don't like parsley, so it's a preference thing. Do what you like. So, this is kind of important. Don't forget the cream. It's not Manhattan style clam chowder, so yeah, clearing that up. Now that the bacon is started to render, I'm going to add the onion, because we want the onion to soften and maybe caramelize just a little. Like maybe be a little bit sizzled, but not like completely burnt or anything. Here and there, so that it has a chance to do its thing. A big mistake that a lot of people make is they spend too much time stirring, and then they wonder why their stuff doesn't brown. And it's like, you gotta kind of let it sit a little, you know? It also releases much easier from the pan if you do that. Okay. So now I'm gonna add the carrots and celery, because they take a little bit longer to cook than the leeks do. So I'm adding a little bit of butter because sometimes the fat doesn't render as much as you think it's going to. So you want to make sure that you have enough for when you make your roux. Now the leeks go in. They're a little more tender than the other things, so it'll take less time. Yeah, this is going to be a big pot of soup. Oh yeah. But it's going to cook down a little too. Yeah, so yeah. That's okay. That is okay. Okay. This is looking pretty good. So next the flour is going to go in. And you're just going to stir it in. It's going to coat everything. Let it cook for a minute. And I'm actually gonna do something a little controversial. I'm gonna add the sherry at this point. But you also want that alcohol to cook off, so it'll be all right. If it gets clumpy at all, then we will add the liquid. But I'm not worried about that. And you can smell the alcohol cooking off too. That's also completely optional. You don't have to add the sherry. It smells so good though. Okay. Moving right along. I think I'm ready for le clams.
The namesake.
And some people add corn to this. You can if you want to. It's not really my preference, so. And now we can add the clam juice. I wish these came in bigger bottles.
Yeah.
Seems a little wasteful, but what are you gonna do? Huh?
I mean, at least it's glass and not plastic.
True.
Glass can be recycled.
And potatoes are gonna potate. And I'll help thicken this as well. And then we're just gonna let this simmer for a little bit. Maybe a minute or two. You don't want to go too long because you don't want the clams to be tough, but you also want the soup to thicken. This is turning out really nice. And I think I'm going to taste it just to see what we're You can add stuff like Old Bay. I don't think it needs anything.
Not even like the cream and the shrimp.
Well, it does. It needs the cream and the shrimp, of course. I'm not done. I'm just saying that the seasoning is. Oh, I forgot the garlic.
Oh my goodness! It didn't even need the.
Oh, it's getting the garlic. It's getting the garlic.
That's some garlic.
Everything
girl
needs garlic.
That garlic is the garlic of the girls.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed-o. This is going in. But I don't like to fry the garlic. This garlic also was crushed with about a teaspoon of salt. Which, salt smashed garlic is the way to go.
This little bucket of shrimp.
It's very cute. See how it's nicely thickening up?
Oh yeah.
It's very nice.
So good.
It's very nice. So, I don't want to take too much longer here. I'm just gonna add the shrimp.
Nice plopped. Nicely plopped.
Nicely plopped. Yeah. And now we're going in with the heavy cream. I'll probably use about half of this pint. Maybe I'll use the whole thing. We'll see. But I don't know if it needs it. I mean, that looks pretty good. Yeah. So that was about a cup of cream.
That smells good too.
Yeah. Got this beautiful smoked salmon that I got locally from a place called Barnacle Bill's. Barnacle Bill's. Oh yeah. Arr. I'm gonna add that because
Barnacle Bills, please hire me.
Oh, and look at this, it's got a bone. So we'll see how this goes.
That's how you know it's good.
But it doesn't have the section that would normally have like all the pin bones in it. That has been removed, so I'm not too worried about this. And yeah, if you're ever in Lincoln City, that is the place. If you need fish, go there. Because I'm telling you, they will hook you up and you will be happy. And funnily enough, my neighbor in Portland told me about them. So if you're watching this, Ivana, thank you. All right. So we'll just let that go for like another minute. Boom, it's ready. All right. This looks good.
Hell yeah.
It's not the most traditional, but
It's delicious.
it's going to be good. All right. Shall I try some?
Yeah.
Where's my wheel? Okay. Let's use the onion bowl, why not? See how this turned out.
Epic.
Heck yeah. Oh, that's good. So there you go. If you want some clam chowder that will knock your socks off. I mean, look at that. Look at all the good stuff in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nourishing,
Mm-hmm.
protein filled,
Yeah.
delicious.
Delightful.
Epic.
Epic. All right, let's eat.
Yeah.
Thank you for filming.
I love you, Mom.
Love you too.
Bye.
Oops. Oh dear.
Mom.
We got a blooper. Think that's getting? Yes. You need Skittles?
Look at this.
Oh, you made Skittles.
No, I need Skittles. Basically,
All right, I'm filming.